Help Bree.
Not Bree. Push. It's heavy. You can't push it.
First thing we are going to do is take this chair out. However, we did find a small leak up there. So let's get this chair out of here. Give us some room.
Push the tail out in the mud.
So we got a bit of a problem in the overcab bunk here. You can see that the wall's squishy. For the life of me, I can't figure out how this cabinet here is attached. And so we're just gonna smash this out. Oh. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Rip and tear. So we have to take everything off of this wall. So we have to take this wall panel off, find out where the leak is, so then we can go outside and seal it up. At the seam is where this panel starts, so we can save this panel. Don't want to do any more work than you want. Oh, it's a bit drier over here. So it tells me that the leak is this way. Garbage. Goes to show you, no matter how new the unit is and how well you do your research. My wife has a pretty good nose for mold and mildew. She didn't see this one coming. But it always happens right here in the forward cab. This one is a well-built and well-designed unit. A little bit of neglect. And she leaked. Oh well, get her all fixed up, she'd be brand new. You never think you'd do this on a 12-year-old vehicle. Look at that. So we know where the leak is coming from. Right here, this bracket that holds the awning on has poked through the exterior fiberglass. And when the rain comes and it just goes down this bracket, boom, right into the motorhome. Totally, this whole area here has been compromised. So we'll have to remove everything from the inside, keeping the exterior perfect, and rebuilding that whole area just because of that one little tiny spot way up there. Gonna continue on with the demo work that we started yesterday. These next few pieces are getting a lot better quality, but we're gonna rip it all out anyway and just replace it all.
Oh, God.
They're just really like... So one little hole in the side of the RV can get you rotten wood and a nest of carpenter ants. Real fast. We're gonna reuse these pieces here. It's hard to tell, but there's a slight taper. There we go, we got the slide outright position, and then the wife and I just put this new piece in the upper bunk. One step closer to getting all of this behind us here. Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time here and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And don't forget to engage in the discussion in the comment section down below. From the Graves family to yours, have a great day.